Lala English News. Today's news is construction site mistake. It happened in Korea 3 weeks ago. At a construction site on a road in the city, an excavator operator accidentally touched a telephone pole, causing a wire to hang over the road. At that very moment, a motorcyclist passing by was thrown off with a wire wrapped around his neck and was taken to the hospital. He was hurt so badly that he couldn't remember anything that happened a whole week. Construction officials insist that the motorcyclist is 30% negligent due to his negligence in looking ahead, and that is drawing criticism from netizens. Lala English News. This is Stephanie.